In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hyperlink in an email. When you're writing an email, it often looks much cleaner and more professional to turn a long web address into a simple clickable word or phrase. Instead of pasting a full URL, you can make text like "click here" or "view the document" into a hyperlink. That's exactly what we'll walk through in this video. Start by opening your email program or webmail and begin composing a new message just like you normally would. Add your recipient, subject line, and start typing your email body. Think about the part of your message where you want to include a link. For example, you might write something like, "You can view the file here," or "Visit our website for more details." Next, decide which words you want to turn into a clickable link. Usually, this is a short phrase, such as "view the file," "our website," or "click here." With your mouse, carefully highlight just that text. This highlighted text is what will become your hyperlink. Now, look at the formatting toolbar above your email body. You should see an icon that looks like a small chain link, or sometimes a globe with a link. Click that icon to open the hyperlink dialog box. If you don't see the icon right away, you may need to expand the formatting options or switch from plain text mode to rich text or HTML mode, since hyperlinks only work in those richer formats. Once the hyperlink box opens, you'll see a field where you can paste or type the web address you want to link to. Go to your browser, copy the URL from the address bar, then come back to your email and paste it into that field. Make sure the address is complete, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, so the link works correctly. After you've pasted the link, confirm by clicking OK or Insert, depending on your email program. You'll notice that the text you highlighted is now underlined or changes color, showing that it's become a clickable hyperlink. Before you send the email, it's a good idea to test the link. Most email programs let you hold down a key or simply click the hyperlink to preview it. Make sure it opens the correct page. If something looks wrong, highlight the text again, use the same link button, and update the URL. Once everything looks good, finish writing your email and send it. Your recipient will now be able to click directly on that text and be taken straight to the web page you linked,